Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this rainbow rhinestone cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, and I'm going to start with the pink shade in the inner corners. Next, using the same palette, I'm going to go with the red. I'm blending each color slightly into each other. Next, I'll be using the Garden of Juvia palette for the yellow marigold shade. Then the Warrior 3 palette again for the green. For blue, I'm using the NYX Avant Pop palette. And for purple, I'm using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Then I'm going back and blending out each color and blending them more into each other. Next, to cut the crease, I'm using makeup remover and Q-tips, and I'm creating a rounded shape. Then I'm filling in that space with concealer. Here I'm using the L'Oréal Infallible Concealer. And you could just stop here if you just wanted a rainbow makeup look, but I'll be adding different color rhinestones. I'm trying to match each section with that same color of rhinestones going along the cut crease. Then I'll be adding mascara and false lashes. And that completes this colorful rainbow rhinestone cut crease makeup look. This is a really bright and vivid, fun look to wear. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.